Hey everyone, it's Trevor at Western Farm Center, and this May, Fussie Cat has an excellent deal to introduce you to the new goat's milk cat food that they have. It's buy 3, get 1 free in any of their cans or pouches of cat food. The new goat's milk cat food is great because it's not only loaded with the tasty morsels and products that your cats love, it also includes the goat's milk, which adds the healthy enzymes and probiotics they need to thrive. So come on down to the store today, find something tasty for your Fussie Cat.